Up early this morning, sunrise. We're going to go to Dearborn, Michigan and check out the Ford Museum there today. Record going down the steps. Alright, here we are at the Henry Ford Museum in Green Village. I did reset my gas mileage on the way here so you can see my journey. 23.8 miles per gallon. It's pretty good for a 1-ton truck crossing the state of Michigan. Has really good gas mileage. I don't think you can get that in a gasoline version of this pickup. 7,000 pounds and get 23 miles per gallon. Alrighty, here we are at the Henry Ford Museum. Yeah. So, man, it's nice. Well, okay, off to the factory tour. Alright, here we are at the Ford factory. Here we are at the Ford factory, and we're going to check out how they build the F-150. So looking forward. Alright, well, we just got out of the factory tour of the, it's a walkthrough tour of the actual assembly plant where they're making the Ford F-150, and that is really, really amazing. It's a symphony of man and machine putting together Ford F-150s with a new one popping out of the assembly line every 53 seconds. That's really something to see. Unfortunately, they didn't allow any photography or any video. So if you want to see that, that's something you're just going to have to come here and see for yourself, and it is definitely worth the visit. So we're going to move on back to the museum and see what we can film there. Oh, that's gonna... Alright, so now we're back in the main museum. We're just going to look around and see what's here. Yeah, pretty cool. Presidential seal there. This is one of the presidential limos.
There's FDR, Sunshine Special,
Oh,
and Limousines.
this is Reagan's car.
Ooh, Reagan's car.
Cool. Ronald Reagan's car.
Wow.
It's John F. Kennedy's limo, presidential limo. This is Dwight Eisenhower's presidential limo. Pretty cool, it's glass. Yeah. Starting to get a little older now. Let's see whose this is. Franklin Roosevelt. Wow. This is Franklin. Yeah, wow. Very cool.
Whose special one is that?
Okay. We got another one here.
This got to be one of the first ones,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Gotta be Teddy Roosevelt. Oh, okay.
Really?
Wow.
Really? Look
Wow.
at this.
Teddy Roosevelt. Look at that. Pulled by horses.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. That's massive. Here, hold this.
Wow.
Now those are some trucks. Very cool.
Massive.
I think it's one of the huge. I mean, that thing is huge. The rear set of trucks. This right here is a firebox. That is a massive firebox. Hopefully that's coming out in the lighting. Wow.
Get in there. You want to just peek in there?
Yeah, just peek in there. He's ready to drive it.
Yeah,
He ain't afraid of it.
that's right. He's ready. You gonna be the next one here?
So this is the 49 Tucker, which there's a really good movie about this. The guy who tried to start this company. This is the car that brought in the innovation of disc brakes and seat belts, and headlights that turn with the wheels as you. So you have light that actually turns the direction you're turning. He had a lot of innovations in these, way ahead of his time. But unfortunately, unlike Elon Musk, who's been more successful than he was, I think he only built like 40 of these cars or 50 of these cars were ever built. See if Dad can crank it up higher. Make sure it's recording video. Yep. All right, we're gonna see how many watts I can crank. Think these as well?
I'm getting hungry.
I'm getting hungry too. It's a good way to sell your restaurant. Oh yeah, White Castles. So like angel food. All right, we're here in the Michigan Cafe inside the museum, and gonna have a nice chili dog. And my wife's got some lunch or dinner. That's it. Yeah. Now that's a very old pop-up camper. Yoki tent trailer, 1927. If I pronounce that right. Well, this is a channel about RVing, and what museum wouldn't be right if it didn't have an RV in it?
Vacation home on wheels.
Yeah.
There's an Airstream.
There's an Airstream.
1949.
Van. Now that's a camper van.
1916 to
This is the right way to start your camping trip, right here.
Yes, that was born in the 30s.
Or any trip. Well, that concludes our visit here at the Ford Museum, the Henry Ford Automotive Museum. Even though you're looking at one of the Wright brothers planes behind me, there's actually a lot of different stuff here. Not just cars, trains, planes, and different automobiles and different makes. So really great place to come and visit, spend the day, and enjoy yourself. So we'll see you next time.